Welcome to Ask and Learn.
Hello students, let's begin with this question. Here, the mole fraction of the acetic acid is given, which is equals to 0.01335. Then here, the mole fraction of the methanol is given, which is equals to 0.03288. So here we have to find out the molality. Here the density of water is given, which is equals to 0.9889 gram per ml. So firstly here the mole fraction of water is equals to 1 minus the mole fraction of the acetic acid plus the mole fraction of the methanol. So here the mole fraction of water comes to be 0.95377. Now here let's assume here volume is equals to 1 liter. So here the mass of the solution is equals to density into volume. So 0.9889 gram per ml into 1000 ml. So mass comes to be 988.9 gram. Now here we can find out the mass of the each component. So here firstly the mass of the acetic acid is equals to mole fraction is 0.01355 into mass is 988.9. So here we get that mass is 13.203 gram. Then here the mass of the methanol is equals to the mole fraction of methanol is 0.03288 multiplied by 988.9 gram. So this comes to be 32.504 gram. Then after that here the mass of the water is equals to 0.95377 into 988.9 gram. So this comes to be 943.193 gram. So now here we have to find out the here then here we have to find out the moles of the methanol, as we have to find out the molality. So moles of the methanol is equals to its mass, that is 32.540 gram, and its molar mass is 60.05 gram per mole. So here its moles are 0. 0. Here 1.0144 moles. Then here the mass of the solvent, that is the mass of water, is equals to 943.193 gram, and this is converted into the kilogram. So here this is divided by 1000, so we get here. So here the molality is equals to the moles of the methanol upon the mass of the solvent, that is the mass of the water in kg. So on solving this we get here that moles is equals to 1.0144 moles upon mass is 943.193 divided by 1000. So here on solving this we get here the molality, which is equals to 1.0754 molar. I hope this video is useful for you to understand this problem. Thank you.